Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word porter. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The porter at the hotel helped carry our luggage to our room. A porter is a person who assists with carrying luggage or goods, usually found in hotels, airports, or train stations. They provide a helpful service to customers. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.